So next, I'd like to welcome Richard Lin, the Chief Marketing Officer from Biomedicare. He's going to talk about Biomedica Osteoporosis AI screening solution. Let's welcome Richard. Thank you, Richard.
Okay,
Hello,
good
Richard.
afternoon.
Hi,
Yeah,
hi.
Let me share my screen. Yeah, my name is
Okay.
Richard. Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Okay, good.
Okay. Today I'm going to talk about one of our products. It's called Osteoporosis, which means bone density screenings. So first of all, to give you an idea about our companies, we are a company that is focused on AI disease screening solutions. So we provide a safe, accurate, easy to use, and time and cost-effective solutions so that we can have more benefit to patient and hospital to do more health check. So we have two lines of products. The first line is the radiology AI, including osteoporosis, bone density, which is I'm going to address today. And then we also have chest AI. Our second main product line is the NGS genomic test. That is another field, and we have a lot of screening disease skill here. If you're interested, you can contact me later. So today we're focused on osteoporosis. Actually, osteoporosis is one of the most serious disease in the world. However, there are not too much attention was paid. We see here that there are more than 200 million only for women worldwide actually are affected by osteoporosis, especially for women that is age. Let me have the screen here. You see here that women for age over 50, 1 of every 3 women actually are suffering, and 1 in 5 male actually are also suffering. And the most important is that the mortality rate, which means the death rate for the first year after hip fractures because of bone density, is about 25%. And this is much higher than most of the cancer. Our solution is very simple, is that just use a standard X-ray machines. As you see here, normally if you are test your bone density, you have to use a special machine called DXA. However, not too many hospitals that has DXA machines, because DXA machine is kind of compared to X-ray, it's more expensive, and it's only one purpose applications only for bone densities. But most of the hospitals, including some private clinics, they have the standard X-ray. So our solution is to provide a solution that is able to use the DICOM image from the standard X-ray to do the test and to come out the T-score report for bone densities. So our solution impact value is number 1, to provide more service coverage to those area or people that are unable to have the DEXA medical resources. And secondly is that we are able to simplify and shorten the inspection time up to 70%. Then the last one is that with the efficiency and also the full utilize of X-ray, the overall cost of the inspection can be reduced for more than 50%. Here are some comparisons of how the bone density was checked. The first one you see in the middle is called DEXA. This is the gold standard from WHO. However, there are still some limitation here. First of all, the test time is about 20%. So the capacity for the test is kind of low. It's not that efficient. Secondly, is that, as I mentioned, that the installation base of the DEXA machine is relatively low compared to X-ray. For example, like in Japan, as our research is that the overall DEXA installation rate is less than 30%. So there are still a lot of hospital areas. They are not able to enjoy to have the DEXA resources. And the other one is called QUS. It's basically it's easy and it's simple. However, it does not meet the criteria from WHO, which has to be detect the area of your hip or your spine. So our solution is use a standard X-ray. You can either lie on it or stand to do the to take the X-ray image, and it will only take 6 seconds to come out the report. And it is almost the same accurate rate as the DEXA, and also it's, as I mentioned, that almost every hospital and clinic have X-ray machine, so it's widespread available to these solutions. Okay, our solution also is able to install in mobile device, mobile vehicles. That will also reach the broaden the access of the service to rural or underserved area or remote areas. We have a clinical trial in a few big hospitals, and we come out the report here is 96.4% overall. It's, as mentioned, is almost the same as the DEXA machines. So till now, we already have the TFDA and also Vietnam, Singapore hospital, Vietnam and Singapore government certificate already. And we are applying for Thai and Malaysia and also China. And we are also doing some clinical trial case now in Japan. We have a tool that is able to do the image quality assessment before the check. So that will make sure that our test is, the result is okay and the location is correct. We also support the standard DICOM protocols that we can do the encryptions to keep the confidence of the patient's data. And also we support the SCU, SCP that will connect all the report to your PACS smoothly, okay? So that's my solution briefing today. So if you have any question, you are welcome to ask. Thank you. That's all for my parts.
Thank you, Richard. If you are interested to reach us, technology, and welcome to scan and provide your interest.